Hello everybody, this is Mark Hanover with Keller Williams Peace River Partners, and today I am at 114 Cambridge Drive in Port Charlotte, Florida. I am currently doing an open house from 10 to noon, both today and tomorrow. So come on down and see me. My phone number is 941-202-1995. Again, that's 941-202-1995. We're going to go ahead and give you a quick tour of this particular property. $419,000 is the current list price. It's about 1,750 square feet, a little bit more than that. And it is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath. Roof is brand new, installed this year. It is a pool home, and it is, as I said, on the saltwater canal. So we'll go ahead and give you a quick tour here. We're going to come inside. And I'd love to point out this beautiful mosaic tile floor. It's a very nice character piece for the house. And it opens up to a nice open floor plan. Living to the right, kitchen in front of you. It is a split floor plan. Obviously, you can see out to the pool there. We'll end there. We have our first guest room, as well as our second guest room that does have an ensuite with a walk-in closet. It's always a nice perk. Beautifully done kitchen, stainless steel appliances, nice breakfast bar. Coming over here, the 1-car garage is over to the right, as well as the restroom for this side of the house. And then coming over here, you have a master with its own little kitchen area. It is knocking on the door. If it had an ensuite, it would be could be considered a mother-in-law suite. Nice little side closet there. Well, as a nice big walk-in closet right there. Coming out of the master to a beautifully maintained pool area, as well as the saltwater canal with dock. This does have harbor access. If you want to know how long the taxi time is, go ahead and give me a call. Again, that's 941-202-1995, or give me an email, markhanover@kw.com, or you can always visit my website at www.markswfl.com as well. Thank you very much. I hope to see everybody soon, and I hope you're having a wonderful day.